What if I told you there's a planet where it rains molten glass sideways, or that some sharks are older than the United States? These sound like science fiction, but they're 100% real. Here are 10 insane science facts that will blow your mind. Every atom in your body except hydrogen was created inside an exploding star billions of years ago. That means you are literally made of stardust. The oxygen you breathe, the calcium in your bones, even the iron in your blood, it all came from space. HD 189733b is one of the most terrifying exoplanets ever discovered. Winds there reach 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. And if that wasn't insane enough, it rains molten glass sideways. Imagine getting hit by a sandstorm made of burning glass. Did you know that honey never goes bad? Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs. And guess what? It was still edible. Honey's low water content and high acidity keep bacteria away, making it the ultimate survival food. Forget whales. The biggest living thing on Earth is a giant fungus in Oregon. It covers 2,400 acres, is over 8,000 years old, and is slowly taking over the forest. It's basically a real-life monster from a sci-fi movie. It sounds impossible, but water can actually boil and freeze at the same time. This happens at a very specific pressure and temperature called the triple point. Scientists use it to study the weird physics of space travel. Tanzania's Lake Neutron is so caustic that if an animal falls in, it literally turns to stone. With a pH of 10.5 and temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it burns flesh and preserves bodies like statues. It's like something out of a horror movie. Octopuses are some of the weirdest creatures on Earth. Instead of red blood, they have blue blood because their oxygen is carried by copper, not iron. And they have 3 hearts, but when they swim, one of their hearts stops beating. Imagine if your heart paused every time you went for a swim. Greenland sharks are the oldest living vertebrates on Earth. Some are over 500 years old. That means some sharks alive today were born before the United States even existed. They swim so slowly, they're sometimes called living fossils. Deep in the Amazon, there's a river so hot it boils animals alive. The Shenandoah River reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. If an animal falls in, its eyes melt first, then its flesh literally cooks while it's still alive. Scientists still don't fully understand where all the heat comes from. Neutron stars are so insanely dense a single teaspoon of their material would weigh 4 billion tons, the same as an entire mountain. If you dropped a piece of a neutron star on Earth, it would sink straight to the planet's core. Now that's heavy. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you love crazy science like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we've got even wilder facts coming your way. Thanks for watching, Science Professor. See you in the next one.